Suto offers a complete 4G wireless solution for our customers. With optional USB 4G dongle and dedicated S4A software, customers can check the online measurement values and read out the logging files remotely. Set up your device in the field to start measuring. After setting up the device, press the button to boot up the device. Start the logging so the measuring data can be saved. To connect the S551 to the S4A software, using the 4G modem, press the menu button. To establish the connection between S551 and S4A, we need the passcode generated by S551. Press the communication button, then press the S4A remote button. Here is the device ID and password. Please note the device ID and password down, as you will later need them to connect to the device remotely. Then press the Connect button to connect the device to the Suto Service Link Network. When successfully connected, the status changes to Connected. This means the device is connected and the remote connection can be established. The rest of the work will be done in your office. To view the online measurement values and to read out the logging files remotely, you need to install S4A software on your PC. Please download S4A from Suto's homepage and install it. Open S4A software and establish the connection with the device in the field with 2 steps. First, click the Detect button. Then click on the Service Link button. Please now enter the device serial number and the passcode, which was noted from the device. Press the Detect button on the screen to confirm. S4A will now connect to the remote device in the field. After that, the live values will be shown on the screen. To download the logging files from the device, press the Read button at the top. Select Read Logger Files from the drop-down to read the log files. If screenshots should be downloaded, select Read Screenshots from the menu. Press OK to continue, and the logging file list will be shown on the screen. Select the logger file you want to read. Then press the Read Selected File button. Select a location on your PC to save the logger files. And after pressing the Save button, the file will be downloaded from your remote connected device. Depending on the file size, this might take a few minutes. After the file has been saved, it can be visualized by the powerful graphic tool within S4A. You can export your logging file to Excel or CSV format. By introducing the wireless 4G modem to our products, Suto offers users state-of-the-art tools to remotely see live values of their field devices and makes it easy and convenient to download your logger files from anywhere in the world. Suto iTech. Be smart. Measure it.